our hole cutter for 2024. It's got many different features that make it different from any other hole cutter out there. We have the padded handles right here, which are very squishy, very nice when it comes to the shock, when it comes to the hammer. We also have the bubble level right here. We also have this top pin, which will release the hammer. And then this bottom pin right here, which will release the ratchet to put the plug back into the hole. Moving down on the unit, we have our depth gauge right here, and at the very bottom, we have our docking station. Now to use the hole cutter, we're gonna find a little area right here. Let's use this one. You're gonna place it into the ground. Right away, you have the bubble level on the top, which is easily able to line it up straight up and down. Pull the top pin right here, which will release the hammer. At the very bottom, we're gonna give it about 180 turn, get the roots out. We're gonna pull it out of the cup. Look at that, perfect. Now when putting it back into the hole, then we have this bottom pin right here, which will release the ratchet. We're gonna give it a couple cranks. And the last feature for the SG Pro, the handle locks. So it's easy to carry.